In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a portfolio site on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Use your normal sign-in method, and once you are inside the dashboard, choose the website where you want to build your portfolio. This is the starting point for the whole process, because everything you add, edit, and publish will happen from inside your Squarespace site editor. Give the page a moment to load fully before moving on, so the navigation and editing tools appear correctly. Once you are in your site editor, go to Pages. You will usually find this option in the main menu on the left side of the screen. The Pages panel is where Squarespace organizes the structure of your website, including your home page, navigation links, and any additional sections you want visitors to access. Since a portfolio needs its own place in your site navigation, this is the area where you will create it. Now look for the main navigation section inside the Pages panel. Click the plus icon in main navigation. This plus icon is used to add a new page or feature to your main menu. Adding the portfolio here makes it easy for visitors to find your work from the main navigation bar on your website. After clicking the plus icon, Squarespace will show you different page types that you can choose from. From the list of available page types, select Portfolio. This creates a dedicated portfolio page designed to display projects in a clean, visual layout. Squarespace portfolio pages are useful because they are already structured for creative work, case studies, photography, design samples, or any other project-based content. After selecting Portfolio, the new page will appear in your main navigation, and you can begin adding your actual projects. Next, click the plus icon next to the portfolio page to add new projects. Each project acts like its own individual page inside the portfolio. This allows you to separate your work into different entries, instead of placing everything on one long page. For example, one project can include a set of images, while another can include a written description, a video, or a combination of content. Add a new project whenever you want to showcase a separate piece of work. After you create a project, click Edit to begin adding content to that project page. This is where you can add content blocks, such as images, text, and video. Use image blocks to show visual examples of your work. Use text blocks to explain the project, describe your role, or provide helpful context. If you have a video connected to the project, you can add a video block as well. Keep the content clear and organized, so visitors can quickly understand what they are viewing. Once the main content is in place, navigate to the project settings where you can adjust details such as the thumbnail, the URL, and SEO information. The thumbnail is important because it is usually the image visitors see first on the portfolio overview page. Choose a thumbnail that clearly represents the project. Then review the URL so it is clean and easy to understand. In the SEO area, type a clear title and description for the project. This helps describe the page and can make it easier for search engines and visitors to understand what the project is about. After your portfolio content and project details are set, check the site status and make sure the site is published. This is an important final review because your portfolio will only be visible to visitors if the site is live. If the site is already published, your changes can appear once they are saved. If it is not published, you will need to confirm the publishing status before expecting others to see the portfolio online. Finally, click Exit and save your changes. This will close the editor and keep your updates in place. Take a moment to review the portfolio from the visitor side if needed, so you can make sure the page, projects, thumbnails, titles, and descriptions look the way you want them to. That covers everything you need to know.